In the clouds, a silver and blue shield contains the letters WB, while below it text reads, "A Warner Media Company." The logo breaks into pieces which form a new design of a film frame with sprocket holes. New Line Cinema, a Warner Media Company. Giant metallic letters appear in the darkness and float into a light source that glints across their surface. Bron. White block letters read, Filmrights. A combination of the letters B and R take shape to form a cattle brand-like symbol over the words Bosque Ranch Productions.